Welcome back to Chasing the Sun. I'm Kirsten, and today, since I'm so bored at home, I am going to make green onion cakes.
And what is this sticky wine bottle thingy?
I tried to use this as a rolling pin until we actually found a rolling pin. Look at this poor old wine bottle. After you're done rolling it, chop it up and squash it. Welcome back to Chasing the Sun. I'm Kirsten, and today we are going to be making green onion cakes. And if you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Oh, it's so sticky. No, it's not sticky, it's just heavy. Okay, so right now I am making a green onion cake. For this, you need flour, water, green onions, and oil, or butter if you want, and salt and pepper. So if you want to make kind of a big batch-ish, maybe for a family of 4 or 5, you want to use 2 cups of flour, and then just keep adding water until you think it's good. Okay, it's a bit really tough. So I might add just the slightest bit of water because I don't want it to get sticky, but I also do want it to get a bit softer. So I'm just mixing it very slowly because it really is thick. Okay, so now my dad's mixing it because my arms are too weak to mix it, and it's really heavy and thick.
Okay, so how long do you have to mix this for?
Just a little bit. Until it's nice.
It's looking good.
And then let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then after that, you get some flour on a cutting board and kind of roll it out nice and kind of like in a rectangle shape. Okay, I guess you kind of do want it in a square shape, but you also want it rectangle-ish. Just put it on top. Might be too little, I don't know. And then you want to take a spoon and kind of spread the oil. And then after you're done that, here comes the green onion. You want to get some green onions and kind of just sprinkle it on top. There we go. I like kind of a lot of green onions because it's a green onion cake for a reason, isn't it? Okay, after you're done that, don't forget it like I did. You need to add salt and pepper. So I got my salt here. Oh, my hands feel so crazy. Okay, your salt and sprinkle it on top. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper because I don't like pepper that much. Put the salt and the pepper back. And then you want to roll it. It took me quite a few rolls before it stuck like this. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it. I actually like this part because it's kind of satisfying to me in a weird way. I don't know, maybe it's in a good way. I have no idea. I just like cutting it. There. Now it's time for you to smush it. This part, I kind of don't like this part in a way. I mean this end part to smush it. You just smush it down like that. Comes like a little oval thing with green onion inside. Sometimes the green onion shows, and that's totally okay, because in the end you're going to be eating it anyway. I like to add some flour so it doesn't stick to my hands or to the chopping board. After that, you smush it, and then put it in the pan with oil and fry it until it's nice and golden brown. Okay, now we are going to fry it. There's 1, 2, there. So right now I'm frying it, you need to put a little bit of oil and put them in. Wait for it and we can flip it.
Green onion cake, eh?
Mm-hmm.
You made this all by yourself, Kirsten. Really good. Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. Pretty simple. What do you think?
It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. If, very simple to make, easy and fast, quick snack. I think every kid can make this. All you need is flour and green onion. And water.
It's a little bit chewy. It's got a bit of taste in it. So it's nice. Super simple recipe. That's how you make it. That was very cool. If you like the recipe and you tried it and you like it, leave us a comment down below and tell us how it went. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell so that you'll be alerted of future recipes, food, fun, and travel adventures. Thank you.